If you love speed but hate danger, then this one's for you. Let's dive into the art of smart driving. Look, we all want to go fast, but if you're driving like you're auditioning for Fast and Furious, it's time for a reality check. Speed means nothing if you're just racing to the next stoplight, so let's talk about driving fast and safe. Introducing the 3 laws of smart speed. 1. Smooth is fast. Just like race car drivers, smooth moves beat jerky ones. Accelerate and brake smoothly and take corners like you meant to. 1. Read the road like a psychic. Look ahead, anticipate traffic, and avoid slamming those brakes. 1. Brakes are for saving, not wasting. Overusing brakes is like eating dessert before dinner. It ruins the flow. Drive predictively, not reactively. Driving fast and safe is about control, awareness, and making every move count. So be the driver others envy. If you found this helpful, hit like, subscribe, and drop your questions in the comments. Stay safe, stay smooth, and I'll catch you next time.